Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing a spring makeup vlog. I'm going to use minimum products, and I'm going to show you how you can create something that beautiful with affordable products, with luxury products. I'm going to give you options. In case you're interested, please keep on watching. As always, I'm going to hydrate my skin pretty well because your powders, your mascaras, any product you put on, they depend on hydrated skin. That is the main reason why I'm doing pretty much similar routine that I always do. This is Nivea aftershave lotion, super light lotion. It's going to soak into your skin and it's not going to leave any fat. Aqua Peeling AHA toner. This is Korean brand toner. Again, it's not a really heavy product. And then we're going finally with the lebelage sun cream protection. This is my sun cream, which is super important for summer. That's why you can add even more to your skin. Today I'm using the roche-posay tinted hydrator. This is foundation, by the way. I heard some rumors, maybe not even rumors, that was posted in the news that roche-posay skincare products basically are dangerous, and they didn't really specify anything about makeup. That is the main reason why I guess I'm going to carry on with the product. But for now, I didn't see any news about their makeup line. Is it bad or not? This one is a little bit orangey for my complexion, but it's springtime and I'm gonna get tan in the future, a little bit of it. So I guess it's gonna be more or less perfect for my complexion. And I use fluffy brush to make sure that I have minimum product on top of my skin. Moving to my concealer. I have a little bit different option for you guys. I can suggest a really affordable thin formula concealers. This one is L.A.Girl concealer, and this is Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. These are my ultimate favorite concealers to work with, but I'm almost out of both of the products. That's why I'm using Givenchy concealer. I actually have a review on my channel. If you're interested, you can check this out, but it's pretty bougie. I mean, the products that I showed you a couple of seconds ago are going to be perfect for this look. This one is thin formula as well. It's given a lot of the coverage. Let's clean this area a little bit. So you can tell I don't really use a lot of concealer. Let's blend everything with a beauty blender. And when I say everything, I mean my foundation and my concealer. Let's go with All Matte Catrice Shine Control Powder Banana Shade and use my fluffy brush to set in place my products. Time for the contour. I have Art-visage. This is Eclipse Sculptor shade. Cool tone brown. I'm gonna pick on my angle brush, get a little bit of the product, tap it off, and I love doing my nose contour. It looks a little bit more structured and neat. It's not gonna be anything harsh or crazy looking. It's basically my option to thin out my nose. Close to the nose bridge, not far in the sides. Same sculptor and same brush that I used to get my foundation on. And bring the color on the sides over the cheekbones. It has to be a really soft shade, almost invisible over your skin. So if you grab super dark color, it's gonna look like bruises. You need something super soft. This is Estee Lauder Translucent Soft Glow Double Wear Sheer Flattery Loose Powder. Super long name. And I mentioned a couple of times that if you don't have this bougie product, I got you covered. e.l.f. Contour Palette. This is some highlighter that is hardly visible. It's so bad by its own. If you want to really highlight some of your areas, you're not going to see this. So it's really bad. Extremely soft product. But if you put this all over your face, it's going to bring your skin back and it's going to make sure that your skin looks more or less fresh. I'm going to be going with Estee Lauder because in the previous video I used e.l.f. Oh, but before that, I completely forgot, guys. I want to use a little bit of the bronzer over my forehead, and let's use a combination of these two colors. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. brush and get the powder over my face. It is so interesting. The loose powder with the soft glow is blurring your complexion, but giving the soft glow. And finally, I want to set my face with the scent spray. This one is Essence Keep It Perfect scent spray. Go into my corrector palette. You can use these two shades, or you can add L.A.Girl or any bright lipstick that you don't really wear, or it's dry formula, to your yellow shade. I don't really see a lot of people using yellow in corrector palettes. Mix it together and you're gonna get the most beautiful blush. I have MUA Makeup Academy highlighter. Let's use the same brush and go on top of my Korean products. You know what? I completely forgot. I have this highlighter wet formula. Let's use it first. Here. Highlighter on top. Now it's dry formula, by the way. Time to do my brows. This is going to be my brow routine that I do every single time. Basically, what I do with my Essence brow pencil outline the shape of my brow, fill this in with the same brow pencil, and a little bit of this Girl mascara. You can use Essence mascara. I use it a lot. And then finally fill in the gaps with NYX Lift and Snatch brow pencil. This is color taupe. I have no substitution for NYX brow pencil. Guess this is the best in the market. Now I'm going with my NYX HD primer. I have white eye pencil. I want to create a base underneath. Blend with a finger. First I'm using color Intoxicating. The eyeshadow palette I'm going with is Summer and Centropade. And let's place Exotic. Maybe in the center of the lid. I'm not really sure. By the way, I'm using a flat brush. Used some leftovers of water from my beauty blender, and this is wet. I'm gonna get this in the center of the lid. Let's bring this up to my brow bone, but I want to leave the inner outer corners with no shade. Same white eye pencil. I'm going to use over my waterline. Color Cabana. Placing underneath my lower lid. Pat a few times with a finger if it's a little bit rough. And finally, in the inner corner of the lower lid, I'll use Beach Club. And I'll start from this part of my lower lid. And I'll add the same color in the outer corner. The middle part, I'm going to leave with no shimmers. Black eyeliners, one eyeliner basically, but if you've ever watched any of my videos, you know that I hate the wand from Makeup Forever. That's why I'm using really old catrice eyeliner that is definitely dry, and picking up a little bit of the product from one eyeliner to use the one of another one. Essence, I love Crazy Volume Mascara, but before that, a little bit of loose powder underneath my eyes. The bottom lashes, the same mascara but waterproof. This way, during summer or springtime when it's really hot, you're not going to mess with the rest of your foundation. You know, guys, I was thinking if I have pretty bright bottom that maybe I can create a bright lip, more or less bright. This is Kiss Kiss Tender Matte 880 Guerlain. And I was thinking I have a new pencil. I don't know what pencil that is. It's just like Kiasa or something like that. And then I have Sephora. This is color 14. Super bright pink color. And I'll get it on top. Guys, this is the final result. I was thinking about nude color for my lips, but then I thought, well, it's springtime, it's almost summer, and I wanted to do something bright. I wanted to do something unexpected and show you a bright lip with a bright makeup look. I think a combination of this red color, sort of red color, and yellow is nice. If you want to, you can always substitute the color of the lip with something more suitable for you guys, but this is it. I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully, guys. Till my next time, bye bye.